umndeni ka-Asiri Ndlovu noZodwa Mdluli uthi ubhekene nomzima njengoba sekuphele isikhathi eside banyamalala, kepha unethemba ngophenyo lwamaphoyisa.
Pheze kabi kakhulu, ngilele ngingazi ukuthi ngilele, umntwana angimazi ukuthi ulale kuphi la khona angimazi ukuthi badlile bakadli angazi.
We are going to 3 months now not knowing where my sister is. We don't even find a clue, at least where we can look, where to find them. But at least today it gave us a hope.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe ofisi likaMengameli liqinisekise umndeni ukuthi ukhona umkhondo olandelwa ngamaphoyisa.
We are of a view that significant progress has been made in this matter. And we're getting a sense that the police are seized with the matter. The investigations are at an advanced stage. We hope for a breakthrough soon.
uMorolong uthi lesigameko basithatha njengokuhlaselwa kwenkululeko yabezindaba.
We will not allow the media to be attacked, to be harassed. And that is why we are here to not just demonstrate our support, but also to send a message out there that the media remains the lifeblood of our democracy.
Amaphoyisa asakhiphe umehlo kaboni wemali engu-100,000 amarandi kongaba nolwazi.